Welcome to WordPress. How to de-index tag pages in WordPress. De-indexing tags means preventing tags pages from appearing in search engine results. De-indexing tags pages in WordPress is a common SEO optimization strategy. It's to avoid duplicate or thin content and to prevent keyword cannibalization. Also, de-indexing unnecessary tag pages helps bots focus on more valuable content on your website. So here is how you do it easily. It's very easy to do via code. Add this code to your theme's functions.php file at the end. If tag page will be loaded in browser, this code will add a meta tag to de-index that tag page. If you don't like to use code, you can do it easily using an SEO plugin. For Math SEO plugin, go to Rank Math, Titles and Meta. Scroll down, click Tags, and here toggle No Index to On. Mine is already on. Save settings. For Yoast SEO plugin, from Yoast SEO, click Settings. Scroll down, click Tags. Turn off this option. Show tags in search results. Disabling this means that archive pages for tags will not be indexed by search engines and will be excluded from XML sitemaps. Click Save Changes. So by using plugins, you can add no index meta tag to all tag archive pages as well. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.